Today, I have a drawing of column beam layout of a building. For centerline measuring, we can use simply the linear dimension like that by using center to center like that. That we know that we can use the linear dimension like that. But we want to use the dimension quickly. For that, we are using quick dimension, that is Qdim, D-I-M, enter, and then select the center line like that, center line like that, like that, and that, and that, and then simply click space and drag it and click. That's how we can measure the centerline dimension quickly by Qdim option. Thank you.